Hi guys, I was just going out right now because I need to get some stuff. I need to get some things like milk and things that I need that are kind of finishing. And my friend just sent me like a picture from Costco this morning, and there was such a long line outside Costco, and it was shocking to see that like so many people. So I'm not sure what's going on outside because I haven't gone out for 2 days. I had done all my shopping last weekend, so but I have a lot of things that I need to get. So I was thinking, let me go try the Sam's Club and see what's going on. If Sam's Club also same situation going on, like because of this coronavirus thing, like chaos going on kind of outside. People, I think, trying to buy advance and keep stuff or something, which I also did. I got like water bottles and stuff like that, for emergency purpose. But I have some things, like very important things for the kids, because kids' spring break got extended. So they have already had their spring break, and now another week it's got extended. I'm not sure what's going to happen after that. They're talking about online learning and stuff like that. It's really scaring me right now, all this kind of stuff. So let's see what's going on in Sam's Club. So I'm going to go. I'll show you guys a sneak peek. If at all I see anything weird. Last 2 days when I went out, I didn't really see anything. It was just normal here, at least in Texas. It's just business, as usual. But I think from yesterday I've been hearing news like some of the Indian stores, grocery stores are closed because of this. I guess they don't want too many people coming in into their store. So I know Walmart is not closed, I guess. So at least main stores are like all open. But I'm going to go see what's going on in Sam's Club. So see you there, guys. Bye. Oh, I'm driving and looking at the phone. Not a good idea. But I just realized there's more light here. Wow, I realized that how nice my lipstick is looking. It's a nude lipstick. It's the Bare Minerals Bare Pro lipstick in Spice. I got it thinking it's a darker color, but it's actually very light. It's a nice color though, like a really nice nude. I'm here at my Sam's Club. It doesn't look too bad. I don't see it's not like that crowded. I don't know why it was like that at Costco. Too many people there, I guess. I don't know, but it doesn't seem that bad at the Sam's Club here though, so that is good. So, oh god, I missed the parking. I should have parked there. I'm gonna go park my car. Thank god it doesn't look too crazy. Doesn't look too crazy here. So I'm gonna go in and usually like make my kids, like the stuff they eat in 2 weeks, they finish it in 1 week, because like they're at home, so it's like they're eating all the time, just playing, eating, not really studying much. So it's hard to discipline them even they're at home. So I like them in school, but what can we do? So because of this spring break extending, now it's another week. So, and it's like all about eating right now. So that's why the main things that you need, they finish fast. Like you can't stock on them, like milk and all that. You can't really stock on them because of the expiry date. So I need to go, and eggs and all, they finish very fast in my house. So I'm gonna go get like those things that I need right now. So let's go inside. I'll take you guys inside. I don't really vlog anywhere. I am very conscious and shy to do that, but I will try today to show a little bit in the Sam's Club. So guys, as soon as we entered, actually they handed us like this with the sanitizer in it, to clean your trolley, like the ones you're holding. So you can clean here. So they actually gave this, that lady gave this to us, sprayed like alcohol or whatever, and then gave it to us to clean our carts before we took them. So that was good. So they have somebody standing at the entrance. I'm sorry I can't show that to you guys, or I forgot to show you guys that. So, and of course there's no samples anywhere. They've stopped that, giving samples to anyone. So it's not too bad in Sam's Club, not that many people. My god, look at that guy, it's all empty. There's no eggs. No eggs, guys. That whole side is empty. Needed the plain bread. There's no plain bread, not even one. So I think I'm just going to take these buns. Trying to see the date on jumbo. Just grabbed the buns because no bread is available. I think I'm going to grab another pack of fish. I already took one, but I'm just going to take another fish fillet, tilapia like this one. I'm going to pick another one. I already have one at home. And I think I need some chicken nuggets for the kids. So let's see. Section is all empty. This is my son's favorite ice cream, so I'm going to grab that. Doing, guys, I already have so much food at home and still grabbing all the things I see. I'm feeling like the world is going to end or something, because they extended 1 week, but what happens after 1 week, right? Another week of school gone, and then what happens? I don't know. Got some banana. And this aisle is totally empty here. I don't need all that stuff. I don't need any veggies and all. I have them. I just came home and I have this much more that I got that I need to fit in. I mean, not this. This is the trash bag. I really needed trash bags packet, so that's good that I grabbed that. But look at my fridge. It's so full. Milk is they started using, so I need to put the 2 milks there. Milk will finish fast, so that I'm not worried about that. But everything is full. I don't know how I'm going to make space. And eggs, thank God I have, because Sam's Club they were like kind of out of eggs, so I'm glad I have some eggs. You know, it can go for a week for sure. So I don't know how I'm going to do that, how I'm going to fit in everything, but I will. I have so much of spinach, kale and all that there. I need to, I think, start cooking tomorrow and then keep it aside. Do something like that. Otherwise, like, you know, the vegetables will go bad. Like I have mushroom and everything. So I didn't try to get any vegetables this time. I think I got only broccoli there because I wanted that for the kids. But yeah, I did get some of the sweet peppers because I love this with the mushrooms. Sauteing them. I got tilapia. I got 2 kinds of tilapia actually. I got this one, different one, and then this one. And I don't know how I'm going to even put everything in the freezer because there is his thing. Let's look at that. I already have fish stick packet, but I did get another fish sticks because they love fish sticks. So if there's nothing, they can have that. I think I have enough food. And also, I ended up getting something else. I was actually at KFC. I don't think it recorded it. Got some chicken wings for the kids. Some buffalo chicken wings from there. And some cilantro lime. I got this because if at all my cilantro, I don't have cilantro for something. And I love cilantro in everything. So I thought like this will be kind of like my backup if at all my cilantro finishes. Now I didn't go check Indian store if they're closed because some of the Indian stores in other parts are actually closed, but I'm not sure. I didn't go. I didn't really see anybody. I think I saw one or two kids with a mask on. I didn't see anybody else with mask on or anything. Another thing I could not find, guys, was this one. This emergency. I wanted to get that big pack, but they were all out. There was nothing in that aisle, in that wherever I'll find that, there was nothing. This I had got from Kroger, actually, a small pack. So right now I and my son are using this. I had this small pack from before. I'm using this, he's using this, my older son, because I think it tells 12 and over, so I'm not giving it to my younger one yet. So my younger one is just having the oranges, he's having the real vitamin C. We are just having this artificial, I guess. So this was not there in Sam's Club, so I couldn't find more. But I guess this will be enough for now. So that's the potato wedges and the buffalo chicken. It looks good, chicken wings. And I only got like the 6-piece one because I knew that my older son didn't want this. So he wanted me to make something else. So then I thought, okay, I just got this, but I think he'll still come and eat it. But I got just 6 pieces because we have dinner to eat. This is kind of like appetizer. So probably we'll eat just a couple of pieces. And then after some time we'll eat dinner. It's already very late actually. My younger one is already munching on the wedges right now.